Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I want to paint this Valentine's paint by lines for you guys today. So to start off, I'm going to base coat my little gnome's beard here, and I'm using the color Cotton by Dixie Belle. So for the background, I used Savannah Mist. My hearts are in Barn Red. The soft pink color on his hat is soft pink. The lettering is Plum Crazy. I also used peony on some accents on his socks. And once that's done base coat, I will go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker now that everything's dry. And I will outline everything. This step is very easy. I'm just following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. And this marker makes this step so easy breezy. But if you want to, you can go in with paint and some black. Just some black paint, and I would recommend like a number 4 or smaller round brush to outline. And I'm going in with a number 4 round to highlight with the color Cotton. And then after that, I'll go in with a sponge brush in the color Hurricane Gray, and I'm going to distress the edges and go over the lines on my shiplap background. This way everything just kind of pops and gives it a little bit of a distressed look since it is shiplap. Just turning my brush sideways to get into those grooves. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.